we're talking about the growing problems, the root of the crisis, the causes and the steps to in any solution, any cause you know about it, any effect. Global, let's continue. The growing phase. There are three main problems that are happening. The first one is about the water being contaminated, the landfills that are filled with wastes. Next we have the black spots around the city, due to which the waste management is becoming very difficult due to rains nowadays. The main roots of the crisis that are the causes are the municipal vehicles loaded with garbage. Then the waste management is Bangalore is not as we consider as it is needed for Bangalore.
Has anyone of you seen any way where you observe that waste is not being managed properly and over there the area is smelling bad, people are covering their mouths and it is of course causing bad smell over all of the areas, causing people to experience different types of problems. Cows, animals, dogs, they are eating plastic which is not at all healthy for them. Then has any one of you experienced in Lucknow even?
Anyone of you?
Anyone?
None of you have experienced it?
In Lucknow, have you seen anywhere where there are large garbage dumps? Anything? Huh? Yes, of course, you mentioned that. What have you seen? What is happening around there?
I think you have
Observe this.
surrounding
Please be a little louder. Little louder.
and many animals are eating that plastic and
Now, why don't we take this topic? You know, Kolkata is a large industrial area, and in areas like this, industrial waste, agricultural waste, they are not managed properly, causing severe problems, health issues, affecting the environment, and all of that. So, how it originates? Anyone like to try it?
they are used to separate the waste, such as dry waste separately and wet waste.
Yes, exactly. Now, different dustbins can be used for effective waste management. For example, there are specific dustbins for construction waste. There are for dry waste, wet waste, biochemical waste, biomedical waste. All of those are there. And being responsible citizens, it is our duty to protect these cities because it is the environment that we are living in, and it is our duty to protect it. Okay. So, what is the way out? Of course, neutralization, precipitation, or oxidation reduction reaction. These render the waste less toxic or inert. You know, when waste is thrown out from industry.
Metal bottles or reusable bottles. Now let's study the setbacks. Plastic waste blocks, natural drainage systems causing waterlogging and
Waste in all over our country. So first is about Delhi's burning waste.
Delhi burns waste which causes so much damage to their property and which causes damage to their health also.
So in this presentation we have discussed about its causes.
How does it cause, like when we dump the waste into the garbage, when we dump the garbage into the dumps at some places, and there is not proper management of that.